Preparation for your boards is a tough time. You see yourself in darkness when you have 3 months or 4 months left in your boards. Let me tell you, 90% of students don't like to study. No one wants to sit with books all day long. But the society force you to run in the rat race. I will cover the mentality of the society in the other video. Today, I will talk about the perspective of achieving good results. I will give you 3 tips that will help you in achieving your better results. Let's get started. First, don't allow any negative thought distract you. Keep telling yourself that you can do it. If you keep telling yourself that I can't do it, your brain will adopt that. And you will think that I can do it. What the hell I will do with the studies? And you will be demotivated. So you don't want to do this. Think that the exam as a video game. You have to finish it to get to the next level, and you will get enough motivation to work hard on your preparations. Second, maintain your time. You don't have to study for 12 hours. You just have to study 4 hours besides your school and tuitions. With full concentration, this will be your self study for the preparation of your boards. Third, give you reward. Set your goals. For example, completing one chapter in 2 hours. And if you complete it, give yourself a reward. It can be your favorite food, meal, or using mobile or watching TV. It will motivate you to achieve your goals with full concentration and excitement. If you follow this for a month, let let this be for 1 month challenge, and I will assure you, you will get better results in your boards. Thanking you guys. I will see you in the next video. I am If you like the channel, if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Bye bye.